guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sadie. Make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss an upload. So today this video is sponsored by ULAWIG. I'm going to be showing you guys how I went ahead and applied my lace wig from them. This is one of their new wig styles on their website, so make sure that you guys go and shop with them. And I'm going to be showing you guys how it was packaged, what it came in, and you know, their little packaging information. So yeah, make sure that you guys go and shop with them. I really love this wig. It was super easy and simple to install. It has a lace in the front and the back. Yeah, she is bomb. So if you want something cute, summertime friendly, not all on your neck and on your face, just something super cute and sleek, get up and go, then yeah, make sure you shop with them and stay tuned for the next clip to see how I installed this. Okay, so y'all, this is the wig that it came, and this is the bag that the wig came in. And then let's see, take it out. So this is super cute. Pink is my favorite color, so I'm super excited to have this in the color pink. And it comes in a net. So this is how it came, like this. And it just says the color 1B, so it comes like in this net. And this is the style. You see the drop? And it says ULAWIG, and it says, are you satisfied? Gives you their Facebook, their Instagram, and everything like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna take it out. This is super cute. Definitely like a little get up and go. Hold on, y'all, let me get the net. I got the net mixed up. So this is the back of the wig. Okay, sis. It comes with baby hairs. And all the details for the wig is going to be in the description box. So yes, thank you ULAWIG for collaborating with me on this wig. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So let me first try it on. I'm gonna take off this okay, so y'all, I forgot to tell y'all that on the back it also has lace too, so you can make like baby hairs in the back. So like it's baby hairs all over, which is super cute. It gives it like a natural type of look. So I'm actually, oh, and make sure y'all got your eyebrow archer. So I'm actually gonna cut the lace off the back of mine. Okay, so now that I got the wig like positioned on my head, like how I want it, you see all the little baby hairs is like there. So look on the skinny teeth. So see, you can kind of swoop your baby hairs. I don't know how I'm gonna do my baby hairs. All right, so going in with the got to be spray, and how I'm gonna do it, I'm literally just gonna spray the hairline, sit the blow dry on it, and we're gonna cut off the lace. The lace is gonna be the last thing we do. Done. So we're gonna go on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the baby hairs, and what we gonna do? You could tie it down just to ensure that it's on. Y'all, I really like this wig. This is so cute. So I'm gonna just take a thin little wig and press it over my edges, just like that. So let this sit, let this hair tie stay on for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're gonna cut the lace off. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my eyebrow archer because it's easier to like cut it with the eyebrow archer. So an eyebrow archer is easier. That's more first time beginners friendly when you use an eyebrow archer because you can control it. You like a lot of baby hairs, that's cool, but not me. So now I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be, and I'm gonna do the same little style that I did over there. Okay, so y'all, this is the finishing touch. As y'all can see, I got my wig installed. It's just 2 pixie ponytails. I braid it in the middle. So yeah, y'all kind of see that how they came out, and I just used pretty much 2 products. Got to be glue spray and they got to be glue, and this is what I got. So yeah, I really like that. Make sure you guys go and shop with ULAWIG, and yeah, use my code for 10% off on your order.